using the word processor within the Sales Creator CMS website system. Okay, adding content and using the word processor within the CMS system. Simply go to the specific word processor or page that is the content is required for, and then we select the word processor, and this will open to a full WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get, word processor. As you will see, the content is displayed here within a table, and I will show you exactly how the table is configured within the word processor. Okay, this is the functionality that is available within the word processor, and simply we must use things like header tags, and they are easy to apply. We just highlight the section that we want to put inside a header tag. As you will see that this already has a header tag 3, so all headings must have header tags, and the content here again is in a header tag, has already been placed, and it is using the default font picking up from the system. If we need to change font style, we do that here, and font size here. We can bold, italic, we can superscript, text color, normal features that are found within the MS Word system. If we are cutting and pasting content from another website, from any sort of word processor document, or even an email, this, when done, you must, and this is an absolute essential, the content must be pasted using the paste as plain text feature, and then reformatted, and I'll give you an example of that shortly. We have all the other standard settings, insert and remove, and numbers, bullet points. Okay, we also can create, we have the justification here, so we can align left, center, right, and block justify. We can create a link within the word processor system, and also anchor tags, and we can add images. This is an image that is being displayed using the word processor, and insert and edit flash. We can create we can add configured tables using templates for tables, or we can add a simple table here. And okay, we have insert icons, and we can also view that in plain HTML and edit the content using HTML if required. We can also cut and paste the HTML. So if we have a specific piece of code we need to paste from another site, we can embed things like embed code from YouTube, and any sort of code that we have the actual raw code, we can actually embed that directly in here and save it. Okay, once we have finished our editing, we would then select update to update it and save it to the page, or cancel, just that would exit without saving, or we can preview before we save to check to see that's how we want it. And there's the preview. Okay, we are going to update, and then we're going to go through the process of adding some content and adding some images, creating links, and tables, etc. So we're going to add some content to the home page of the site. We're going to the word processor. We're going to cut and paste some content. In this instance, we're going to just copy some content, from another website. As we're building this website, we can copy it from the original website that we are actually copying. And we're going to paste it. We need to paste it as plain text. So what we do in this instance, we're going to highlight this existing content and we select paste as plain text, Control V to paste, and then select OK. There we have pasted the content directly into the word processor section of the page, and we are now going to add header tag. So, and we will center that, and we have the other detail. So this also requires a header tag as well. Alright, all the rest of the content there is fine, and we are copying it straight from the existing website, and we're going to put that inside a header tag as well. And for all intents and purposes, this is sufficient for this page, and that's how to just simply cut and paste text from another website, Word, or an email, and paste it to the word processor. We can just go update. As you'll see, the content now displays as it should quite nicely on the page. Now I'll show you how to add an image, create a table, and create links within the word processor. Okay, to create a link within the word processor, quite simply again, just go to the word processor, and we have the content displayed here. So we're going to turn this into a linkable email address. So we highlight the email address, we copy that, so we Control C. Must use the keyboard commands, Control C. We click on insert a link, we select email address and paste, Control V. That is adds the email address. Make sure there's no spaces front and front or in front of or behind of the address. We can also pre-configure a message because this will open the person who's viewing the website's email client and automatically put in a message, and you can actually put in some body text, subject heading, etc. In this instance, we're not going to do that. We're just going to create a straight email link. If we were just creating a normal link, we can just go highlight the text. We can then, if we want to link it to another page, we select Browse Content, a page on the menu, select the page, and return. It will then automatically put in the link there, and then click OK, and as you will see, the link is created. And we update that, and then you'll see we have the links are visible and hot and active.